This is going to be a tough video for me because I absolutely love Crypto.com, but they done freaked up. I didn't even cuss. I said freak. I said freak. Gosh dang it. Crypto.com, you messed up so much. Even the freaking bleeper is messed up. I just freaked Pluto out so much. What's going on, everybody? It's Chris with Committed 3D Tech. So Crypto.com passed 5 million users this past week. How did they do that? Well, for over a year now, they've had good products, a great referral bonus, and they have had some of the highest interest rates for staking your cryptocurrency on a platform like this. But in a single week, they announced that they were cutting their referral program in half. There would only be a $25 referral bonus for staking 1,000 CRO tokens to get the Ruby Red Visa. If you haven't gotten the Ruby Red Visa yet, if you use my referral link, you and I both can get $50 worth of CRO tokens for staking 1,000 CRO tokens absolutely free. Now, that's going to end on November 1st. So you only have a couple weeks to do that. After that, the bonus is only going to be 25 bucks worth of CRO tokens. And on top of that, they cut their interest rates for staking in the earn feature by 80%. Fortunately, Crypto.com did fix that a little bit, and we'll talk about that in this video. On top of that, because of all of these changes, CRO tanked 20% over the past couple days. In this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about what that means for the company and what that means for you and me as customers of Crypto.com. And then additionally, we're gonna talk about my plan going forward. Now, of course, make sure you stick around for the end of the video because I do have a surprise ending. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise or give you any suggestions of what it is, but stick around and you're gonna see something cool happen. And of course, make sure that you like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, investing platforms, and tech in general, make sure you subscribe to the channel. For instance, the next video that I'm gonna put out is going over the much asked question, how do I do my taxes when I purchase and sell cryptocurrency? Click the notification bell to make sure you get notified anytime I come out with a new video. So with all that out of the way, let's get to the content. So the platform has been extremely successful for me. And when we talk about the earn feature, even with this big 20% drop, I've made $800 just from staking my cryptocurrency. The past year has been great for the platform. However, with the changes now, on that same timeline, that $800 would only equate to $70 at the 1% flexible plan that they initially proposed, only $140 at the current 2% flexible plan that they've changed it to. Of course, the rates did change, so now it's 2% for the flexible plan, 4% for the 1 month, and 6% for the 3-month term when you're staking CRO. Now, of course, that's different for other cryptocurrencies. And of course, CRO did have a 200% bull run so far this year, over a 200% bull run. But of course, now they lost 20% of its value. Of course, it is 100% that you should like this video for the YouTube algorithm, though. Of course, it is absolutely crazy that this platform has 5 million users. That's a huge threshold to cross. And I actually suspect that this was part of their plan all along. Their plan was great SEO, search engine optimization, the domain name crypto.com. That is the #1 website you're gonna see when you type in crypto or cryptocurrency on any search engine. And then of course, they gave great incentives to build usership, including the amazing referral program that they have, and also the great earn rates, which to be honest, no other company was doing that was legitimate. And a good example of this is Coinbase, because their bonus for referring a friend is only 10 bucks worth of Bitcoin, which means even after November 1st, Crypto.com still beats Coinbase's referral program by 150%. So it's still a no-brainer to go for Crypto.com over Coinbase or other exchanges like them. Like I mentioned, the new flexible rate for CRO staking is 2%. And of course, they do have good earn rates for Bitcoin and Ethereum, you know, the big guys like that. And some other things that they did mention in the email, they're doing this in preparation for the next crypto bull run. Another thing that happened was they listened to the customers. So even though they had dropped it to 1%, 2% and 3% interest for the flexible 1 month or 3 month plans, they listened to the customers, their feedback, and they doubled that. Really good move from Crypto.com in that aspect. I really hope that they continue to do that. So what is my plan going forward? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to diversify my portfolio more. I have way too much CRO, even though in my overall portfolio, I do have everything from helium tokens to basic attention tokens, CRO, I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, I have XYO. I'm also planning on building a cryptocurrency miner. I still haven't picked the platform or the tech exactly going to go into that, but stay tuned because I will make a video once I build that crypto miner. Now, the other thing I'm planning to do, I'm planning to take advantage of interest rates where I can. One thing that they did mention is that they will still offer 10% interest for CRO that is staked in order to get a card, which means if you get the Jade Green, which I currently have, that means that 10,000 CRO that I'm staking is going to be getting 10%. 100,000 for the Frosted Rose Gold or for the Icy White, and of course 10% on the 1 million CRO tokens if you stake that for the Obsidian Black. So the question is, do you want me to upgrade? If you want me to do that, all I need you to do for all of the research that I do, for this quality content that I put out, just go down to the like button and tap it until it turns blue. Do that real quick. All right, well, as promised, I'm gonna do a big surprise, and I am going to upgrade to the Frosted Rose Gold right now. I wanna take advantage of the per annum percentage as much as I can. And you know, if I'm gonna stake 3 months, I might as well stake 6 months and get 10% rather than lose 4%. Boom. So the bottom line is, do I think it's still a good platform? Absolutely. Do I think this is a good business move for them? Absolutely. You can't expect to be giving away free money forever, especially with a platform that has this many features that are good and quality. Not only that, they are listening to the consumer and trying to do right by their customers, which is ultimately a sign of a good company. Not only that, but I still do think that the Ruby Red MCO Visa is the best value investment for cryptocurrency at this point in time. Even when it drops to only a $25 referral bonus, that's still very, very valuable. There aren't many companies that are giving you that much for that little of an investment in staking. If you haven't already, you can sign up for the Ruby Red. You stake 1,000 CRO tokens. You and I both get $50 until November 1st. If you do it after that, it'll still be a bonus. You'll still get 25 bucks, you and I both, for using my referral link. That will be down in the description, and other reviews of the card if you want to look into that as well. If you haven't already, make sure you smash the like button for me and the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I will be coming out with a video on how to do your crypto taxes. Of course, I'm not a a tax professional, but I will be giving you my advice and some of the platforms that I use when I fill out my taxes for cryptocurrency. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get notified when I come out with that video and other awesome videos on crypto, tech, and investing, and all of the like. So with all that out of the way, thanks for tuning in. My name's Chris with Committed 3D Tech, and we'll catch you next time.